Hello, today we will be discussing the distance formula, which is a method of finding the linear distance between 2 points. Using the distance formula on a two-dimensional coordinate plane is fairly simple and follows the same rule each time. We can use this formula right here by simply substituting the x and y values from two coordinate points. We can take the x values from the second coordinate pair and the first coordinate pair to produce this parentheses, and then we can do the same with the two y values to produce this one. And then we simply whole square each subtraction and then add the two values and then take the square root. When we have two coordinate points, such as these, the order does not actually matter. We can decide on either one being the second pair and the other one being the first pair. Either way, we have to decide which one will be first and second and then label them accordingly. As an example, we can choose this as our first pair and then this coordinate point as our second pair, and then label the x value here as x1, label this y value as y1. And as follows, we can label this as x2 and we can label this as y2. As an applied example, let's try this coordinate point. We can label this as x2 and this as y1, and then we can use this as x1 and y1, y2 for this one. Afterwards, we can simply substitute the values into the equation as such. This will then simplify to 6 squared plus 7 squared. And we can approximate this to about 9.22. This method is fairly consistent and will never change. And this can be applied to any two-dimensional set of coordinate points. As another example, let's try the points 0, -2 with -5, -1. Once again, we will label x1 and y1, and then we can label these x2 and y2. Afterwards, we can simply substitute them in the formula as such. This will then simplify to 25 plus 9. And then we can approximate this as 5.83. In the next video, we will demonstrate the distance formula visually on a Cartesian plane.